Hi, I'm Poh Hee. I'm the Senior Assistant Director, with the Singapore Associations for Mental Health. Presently, I'm overseeing, two programs, under the Rehab pillar. First one is Reach. We work with persons aged between 13 to 21, who have a diagnosed mental health condition. Second program I'm overseeing is the Mindset Learning Hub, in short, SAMH. We provide vocational training and employment services to persons aged 18 and above. Schizophrenia is actually a chronic and severe mental health condition. It is actually very devastating for the persons who is first diagnosed with schizophrenia due to the change in their functionings. But there's hope. As with all the other mental health conditions, schizophrenia is also highly treatable if they actually follow through their treatment, medication, and also working with their helping professional in rehabilitation. I think they can actually recover and resume a meaningful role within the family and the community. I think at work, if they actually improve in their functioning and are motivated and ready for work, in some of these cases we will have to be working with the employer to really provide accommodation in terms of redesigning a job. For example, some of them may require later starting time, shorter work hours, and we have seen employers who are willing to provide all this accommodation, and the persons with schizophrenia, they can really incrementally produce good outcomes in their work performance. And some of the common ones, for example, persons with schizophrenia are dangerous. Actually, most of them are not dangerous or violent to others. And second misconception is that schizophrenia is very rare. In fact, it is not rare. About 1% of the population actually has been diagnosed with this condition. And the third one, is persons with schizophrenia cannot be helped. If they actually take agency in their own recovery, they can actually recover and also resume meaningful role within the family and also the community. I think first and foremost, people have to believe that people with schizophrenia can recover. And then accepting their limitation and providing the necessary accommodation and also opportunity in hiring them, and working with the helping professional, agency, mental health agency like SAMH MINDSET Learning Hub, to actually provide a support while they are actually at work. First and foremost, the leadership has to set a tone in terms of wanting to provide or promoting the inclusivity as well as diversity in hiring a person with schizophrenia. And following that, then they can actually cascade it down to promote awareness in their workforce on mental health literacy, which cover understanding readinesses. Third, I think, is to provide training, especially for the immediate reporting officer, who will be working with a person with schizophrenia at work, so that they are better able to handle situations that happen at work and also provide the support, necessary support. Last but not least is what I just mentioned, working with a mental health agency that provides employment services and collaboratively with the persons with schizophrenia to produce more positive outcomes in their work. Be accepting, which I always mention, and be empathic, working along persons with schizophrenia. Secondly is to really be accommodative and be patient, allow them to actually develop their confidence and also improve their work performance. I think these are the two main important ones which I can mention right now. We provide the job matching and job support when the person is hired. Our job coaches will move in to the work site if the employer is receptive of that, and they will provide advice to the supervisor or the staff who have actually persons with schizophrenia working on them, and they also will provide pointers to the staff how to handle certain situation when the person with schizophrenia is not coping very well. They will actually work collaboratively with their staff to support the person in their personal challenges as well as work issues, to help be able to work more effectively and producing positive work outcomes.